Hi everyone, last night we put together our popcorn bar, so I wanted to take just a few minutes to show it to you in case you're considering hosting something like this at an upcoming party. For those of you that aren't familiar with a popcorn bar, basically your guests snag up a bag, like a lunch-sized bag, they scoop in some popcorn, they spritz on some butter, and then they sprinkle on toppings and seasonings, they shake it all up, and then they have a great snack. The seasonings are really what makes a popcorn bar so fun, and there are so many of them, from savory seasonings to sweet seasonings. You can see some of those here, nacho cheddar, caramel, apple cinnamon. I mean, there's really everything, and people have so much fun finding different types of sprinkles and shaking it in their popcorn. And there's also so many fun topping ideas, and you can kind of customize your toppings to really fit the kind of party. Like this party we did was the Oscars party, so a lot of the candies were really signaling like candies you would get at a movie theater. So Junior Mints and Mike and Ike's, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. So we made sure we had a lot of very movie iconic toppings. But there are dozens and dozens of great toppings that are right for a popcorn bar, and you just kind of customize those a little bit based on the kind of party that you're hosting. So there's a lot of great ways to really make the popcorn bar come to life. You can see I used a lot of different galvanized metal containers. I'll put some links below just to show you where I got some of the things, where I got the salt and pepper shakers. I did purchase a digital sign kit on Etsy, and I love it. I think the gal who did this just really did some amazing work. So I'm going to link up that page where I bought that kit in case you're interested in doing that too. And then I do have a much longer video where I actually put this whole thing together and I recorded that whole process. So if you're interested in actually doing that, you might take a look at that video, and I'll link that video up below too. So hopefully you found this kind of helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and check out my other popcorn bar video if you're interested in putting one together. Thanks.